Hi everyone! Happy Wednesday! Can you believe it? We've already made it to Wednesday. It is halfway through the week already. These days are just flying by. I miss you all so much. I can't wait till we get to see each other again. I know this is hard on you. This is hard on me too. I miss seeing all of your beautiful, smiling faces every single day. But we will get through this together, and you guys are doing such a good job. I wanted to give a shout out to my Lexia people who already finished their minutes and their units by Tuesday this week. That is amazing. Good job, you guys. And I also wanted to give a shout out to the whole class. Yesterday was the first day where I saw everyone following the expectations and following the video where I point out what you're supposed to do every day from start to finish. Remember, you need to go in order. And this isn't me trying to be mean. This is just me trying to help you make this easier and make sure you aren't skipping assignments. See, when you go straight to writing or straight to science right in the morning, then you may forget to do your reading or your math. And it's easy to forget. It's happened to me too. So I want to make sure you guys are going in order so you can keep track of everything you are supposed to do throughout the day. I've had a couple questions on where to find the assignments. Make sure you check back to that video that I posted yesterday. And also, I'm going to tell you now, all of the assignments are under classwork. There's a little tab at the top of the Google Classroom page, and you can find any assignments. They're categorized reading, math, science, social studies, writing, and you can find your assignments under there. Also, today, you are not going to do a Newsela article. You are going to do an exit ticket actually for Main Idea. So this is just a quick little quiz to see if you remember what Main Idea is and supporting details. So you are going to find that assignment underneath classwork and then underneath the reading tab. All you need to do is click the link. It's an Edulastic quiz, so you're just going to go on there and read the passages and then pick the correct answer for the Main Idea and supporting details. So I wanted to clarify that right now before I get started with the rest of my announcements. Also, we're going to try to do another Google chat today, a video chat with the class. I'm going to do that at 3 o'clock. And I found a cool website. Instead of using Google Video, we are going to get on Zoom. So Zoom has worked for a lot of other people, and so I'm hoping it will work for us. I will post the link to join at 3 o'clock, and all you have to do is click the link and then type in your name, and then it'll allow you to join. So be looking out for that. If you cannot make it at 3 and you still want a video chat, please just let me know and I will try to figure out another time. Maybe we can do lunch, or I can figure out another time where I can video chat with you guys who can't make it at 3. All right? So I am going to finish reading, finally, chapter 5 in The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. It's only a couple pages long. And then I'm going to try to continue reading tomorrow and Friday as well. Also, for your math, you are not doing Zern today. You are doing ABC, yeah? And you need to scroll down the page until you get to the math games. So I just want to make sure I told you guys that before I started reading. All right, so we are on the last couple pages of chapter 5. McCready was not fond of children. So remember, Miss McCready is the housekeeper at the house, and she's not that nice. And did not like to be interrupted when she was telling visitors all the things that she knew. She had said to Susan and Peter almost on the first morning, along with a lot of other instructions she told them on the first morning. And you please remember, you are to keep out of the house whenever I am taking a party over to the house. So that means whenever she has visitors, which she does a lot, they're supposed to stay away. She doesn't want them around the visitors. Just as if any of us would want to be around a bunch of adults, said Edmund. And the other 3 thought the same. That was how the adventures began for the second time. Ooh, so I want you to think. This is how the adventures began for the second time. What adventures do you think are going to start again? A few mornings later, Peter and Edmund were looking at the suit of armor and wondering if they could take it into little bits and put it on. Just as the two girls rushed into the room and said, "Look out, here comes MacCready with a bunch of people." "Oh, we better get going," said Peter, and all four ran through the door to the far end of the room. But when they had got out of the green room and beyond it into the library, they suddenly heard voices ahead of them, and then they realized that Mrs. MacCready must be bringing her visitors up the back stairs instead of up the front stairs like they had expected. And after that, whether it was that they lost their heads or that Mrs. MacCready was trying to catch them, or some magic in the house had come to life and was chasing them into Narnia, they seemed to find themselves being followed everywhere. Until at last Susan said, "Oh, bother! Let's just go in here into the wardrobe room until they've passed." So let's rewind. So they felt trapped. They felt like anywhere they went in the house, there were voices. So they were literally forced to go into the wardrobe room. Do you guys think that was a coincidence? Or do you think that that was meant to happen, that they were supposed to go into the wardrobe room together? I don't know. Be thinking about that. No one will follow us in there. But the moment they were inside, they heard voices in the passage, and then someone fumbling at the door, and then they saw the handle turning. So they heard the keys, and they're trying to open the wardrobe room door. "Quick," said Peter, "there's nowhere else to go." And he flung open the door to the wardrobe. All four of them bundled inside and sat there, panting in the dark. Peter held the door closed, but did not shut it, for of course he remembered, as every sensible person does, that you should never shut yourself inside a wardrobe. All right. So I told you guys it was only a couple pages long. That was chapter 6. So now all four of them are in the wardrobe together. So we'll see what happens. I want you guys to be making predictions of what you think is going to happen. At first, when they tried, they weren't all able to get into Narnia. But then Lucy was by herself, and Peter was able to. So do you guys think that all four are going to be able to get into Narnia? Do you think they're going to risk it? I don't know. We'll have to see. But be thinking about that as you listen to me, as you watch this video. Be thinking about your predictions. All right, well, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I miss you all so much, and I hope you have a great day getting your work done. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you at our Google chat at 3. Bye.